your right foot up to about 2 or even 1 o'clock and perform an in-to-out block. Here, you have an opening on the body and the face for 2 strikes. This technique can also be done with the attacker throwing a lead hand strike. We'll follow the exact same step and perform the exact same block. From here, I'll now aim for the ribs and for the side of the face. Slide your right leg up to about 1 or 2 o'clock, perform an in-to-out block. Sometimes this can be done as a closed hand or an open hand. It doesn't matter as long as the block is there. If you choose to do an open hand on this technique, you have the option of holding and grabbing and pulling them in for the later strike. But if I stay with a closed fist, I would then follow with a knife hand strike, then an elbow. If I chose to do an open knife hand, I can catch, pull in for the knife hand, and follow through with an elbow to the jaw or the neck. This technique can also be done with the lead hand attack from your partner. We'll step the same way, perform the same block, whether it's closed hand or open hand. We'll draw it down, open the back of the neck, and then come through to the same target or slide it to the front and hit the jaw.